It'll be Abhinav to face Gurjapneet, the first ball. He was initially looking to play it over fine leg, then realized the ball was going towards off, then opened the face of the bat, tried to guide it towards third and found the fielder. So Abhinav, a promising start, but he's got to go back for 10. The Vida Kovai Kings have lost their first for 18.
Cracking hit. It was 6 the moment it left the bat. Sachin is not going to hang around. If you present him the opportunity, he'll take you on. And Dipesh is having a forgettable over.
With their performances, a couple of titles, they've made it to the playoffs often. Last year they didn't, which is why this season's crucial. What a hit! Dances down the ground, sends it over long on for a maximum. The 50 is up with that one. 5 overs.
Spin well.
Oh, with the pace, with the angle, another terrific 6. Sachin picking up where he left off last innings. Spin for Sarvanan, and Loki shaped to play on the onside, bailed out of the shot, and had his bails disturbed. What a fine delivery by Sarvanan.
Very talented young man. Like you said, the strike rate needs to get better. It will get better if he plays like this. But right in the slot by Shoaib. And getting under the ball nicely.
Jumps down the track, trying to get to the pitch of the ball, but... And bang! Big slog sweep over wide long on. That's one of the bigger 6s we've seen. And Sachin showing his immense ability once again.
He was slightly short the previous...
6s we've seen. And Sachin showing his immense ability once again.
He was slightly short the previous jelly, but this time looking to bowl full up. And the perfect slog sweep. Beautifully clearing his front leg. Getting a lovely bat swing. So
Getting underneath, it's gone all the way. Andre has capitalized on the free hit, and he will do many a times when he's in that kind of form.
The focus was timing and not power from Andre Siddharth. That makes a huge difference.
The 4-4, 1-6-4. It was Andre earlier in the over. Sachin now feasting.
Periyasamy having no answers here. Lovely shot once again. Just makes room for himself. Guarding it on the offside, just carving it beautifully. Great bat flow there. And in the gap as well. Another boundary for him. Really.
The onside. Is that long enough? Yes, it is, just over the boundary line. Sachin realizing that he's on to a really good thing here. Might even be looking for 100, but playing for his team. Goes through the line once again. It's a terrific 6. The kids love it. That's a genuine slog sweep over the crowd into the forest. And we end the over with 21 runs that continue to accelerate wildly. Kovai now 2-2-4 for 2.
And yes, almost a mini collision there, but in the end just holding that catch. That was Enes Chaturvedi taking that catch. Nicely done by him. And a very fine innings, fabulous innings by Sachin B. Coming to an end, 84 of 43 for him. 227 for 3 now. Kovai getting a standing.
The drizzle. We need to cover the square very quickly. But we're left tantalizingly short. 7 runs short of what could have been the highest total ever in the TNPL. Should be Chepauk Super Gullies instead of Dintical for Abhi. Jumps out, goes for it, and it's a maximum. What a way to start. Santosh has special ability. Abhishek is warned not to bowl full again. What a blow. Tanwar gets his revenge, and Santosh will be so disappointed picking out one of the 2 outfielders in the very first over.
Santosh heads back to the hut. 8 for 1, NRK.
Lofted handsomely by Atish, who's putting on an exhibition. Another 6. The 50 is up for the Nellai Royal Kings, as it's time to welcome Prasad Kshirsagar into the commentary.
Thank you, Nishad.
Certainly been eye-catching. This time he pulls it. Clear the fence yet again. This young man is certainly inspiring his team to a good start. has welcomed the bowler with 2 consecutive sixes. As a house, the captain and the wicketkeeper Jagadisan called for it. When you've got the man with the gloves, for such skiers, you're going to back him.
That was the pressure. Just wanted to release that, and a wicket. 66 for 2.
Front thanks the heavens for that success. His first over was expensive, but experience always matters.
It just
Boundary line, leaning over it, matter of fact. Gets rid of the danger man, Ishwaran. He will be stunned with that effort. Ishwaran, very well played. Most impressive. 36 at a strike rate of 200. 132 for 4.
At the end of this, be prepared to see red, be prepared to see out. The partnership ends. It's going to be a long walk back. Mukhilesh dips for a run of 19. 133 for 5.
He's not going to get any of that. Not the distance though. Yes, he does. It's a maximum to end the over 13 off it. 149 for 5. This time it's Enes Harish. The fielder's underneath it. This time it's Enes Harish. The fielder's underneath it. He cannot cling onto the ball in time. Enes Harish joining his captain in the act.
The 150 is up with that hit. Gone all the way. What a start to the over.
That was a resounding thump, Abhishek Tanwan. It was a resounding thump, Abhishek Tanwan.
Opens his account by clearing the ground. Over, long gone. Jagadisan now only 2 runs away.
Took the words out of my mouth. 2 runs away now. 2 runs away now from being the lead scorer. But what a terrific shot.
This time the other way. Over, long off. Another 6. And he's become the leading run scorer in the history of the Shriram Capital TNPL.
Waiting for you to announce that. Well,
And the round arm has certainly worked. Gets the big fish.
one of the best a man can get or bowl. Jagadisan gone for a fine 27, but his team could be in trouble at 38 for 2.
Magic.
Yeah, absolutely. Last over, he got a wicket. Bowling his first over, Harish, and once again he strikes here. For his side, Harish. Yeah, she got for 13 of 9. He's 53 for 3.
In the air, will come down with the ball. And he's got one of the tallest personnel at the right place. Great deployment.
And Ram Arvind has got to go back out for 10 of 13, 75 for 4 now.
Gets enough on it and sends it sailing. Mohan Prasad off the mark and with a statement more than a shot. Even Sonu Yadav can go for a big hit. If the
Is that coming towards us in the commentary box? In fact, it's gone over the commentary box. Made a loud thud as it landed on the roof.
Well, I had my palms out waiting for that catch.
It was full and Dinesh just hit it back towards Rohit, who's reacted brilliantly in his follow-through.
A useful 29. It's 108 for 5.
He pulled away across the line all the way for a 6. Ashwant Walthappa may not have created the mystery, but he's certainly creating some misery for the bowlers. Last ball of the 15th. He slashed outside the off.
should be taken and gone. A team dismissal for a hard-hitting Ashwin for the first time. He's gone up in the air and not cleared. 31 of 13, still a very handy knock, but not enough under circumstances.
That's square leg. A soft dismissal. The skipper came in at the departure of a really fine knock by Sachin, and he has been unable to utilize the conditions here. Back in the dugout.
Rajalingam, the fielder, trying to go up on the onside, didn't get hold of that one. Yeah.
Collision averted, but the catch taken. And he ended his innings at 84, did Sachin, where it was Andre with that big bash on the offside.
3 for 14 in that previous match. But how do you see his role in this particular?
Big hit yet again. So good with this length. Doesn't really need to move forward or back because he's in a brilliantly balanced position. Races to 66.
Nicely.
Went through with the shot, no chance.
I was having an eye on that footwork. Just see that footwork. Excellent shot. Shriram Capital, fantastic pose, number 200. That's a special shot. That's a classy shot from a really good batter. Excellent.
A little bit of spin, and Jathwait gets a little bit of revenge. A magnificent innings of 121 comes to an end, but there will be a standing ovation for an innings that has taken the Madurai Panthers pretty close to that incredible target.
Absolutely, very nicely bowled as well. Quicker delivery, slight turn.
Great. Almost got through, and he did. Playing on, Mahadevan knew he had to make a move on, and Jathwait strikes. 2 wickets now for the youngster. Great to see a leggy in action, and he has done it for his team. Much more work still left to do, though.
Yeah, both the set batters.
Long off will take that one. Shahrukh was waiting and Kishore has delivered. This chase just keeps getting interesting.
Is there a twist? Good fight back this by Vida Viking. Shah Rukh Khan gleefully accepts that.
The line, it's a boundary to begin. In fact, it's gone all the way for a 6. The ideal start for the Madurai Panthers. Only 10 needed of 5 now.
Yeah, superb shot under pressure. They have won this game by 6 wickets and 3 balls to spare. The captain Anirudh playing an absolute blinder, but Chaturved.
கரெக்ட் சிக்னல்ஸ் வந்து இன்னும் சிம்பிளராக இருந்தது எல்லா பாலும் ஆல் அவுட் போகும்.
Premeditated shot that he played fell a little short. He was particularly good against the spinners. That was expensive. Lokeshwar missed that stumping chance.
Still try and build an innings as Atisai Raj.
Try to keep his length online, and there he goes. This batter wanted to go big one. A fielder was ready in the long off position, an easy picking. That's the first wicket.
This wicket truly belongs to the man at the other end, Iswaran, who created.
Very energetic for sure, and taken. Wrong part of the bat. It was a reasonably quick delivery. 130, so no pace of trickery there. Just getting the wrong part of the bat, and Kevin's long vigil at the crease comes to an end.
Does it, and the captain's stay has come to an end. It was a tentative 3 from him today. Offered the shot and realized the ball had a mind of its own. It wanted to reach the fielder's hand. Never in control throughout.
So, my words exactly, just wasn't in control of that at all. Where was he trying to play? Certainly.
Pulled. There's a fielder waiting. That's the 5th wicket. This is the icing on the cake for Anthony Das, who gets a wicket of the final delivery of his spell. As the SKM Salem Spartans slump further, they've lost half their side now.
He was the best batter in the first game. Nidish Rajagopal looking good tonight. Yeah, no hesitation. Out. He had the ball under control. He's a worried man. It should be. Harish Kumar has to depart. In fact,
Wonder how does he manage to do that, because a bowling action is so difficult to change or tweak, but he manages to bowl side arm, high arm. This time it's that conventional Malinga, if I can use the word conventional. Ajit Ram has gone for 3. Salem Spartans 147 for 8.
For the big screen.
Yes, he was short, and just an example of that bullet rocket arm that Sanjay Yadav has. Particularly strong off the back foot, as we can see. Kavan also gave good company and giving me good company here in the commentary box. Once again is Charu Sharma. Welcome. Fit and young. Rajkumar gets off the mark first ball as
On the ground. Rajkumar rampage will start now. He's made it absolutely clear with a smooth hit.
When everything on the line,
That ball was pitching for the big shot. And Kaushik just got a little anxious, was on 46. Thought he might be able to bludgeon one trying to get to his 50. Didn't work out. Still a very good hand. A steady 46 at a decent strike rate. 131 now for 2.
Goes big again, this time on the onside, but straight to the fielder. Could there be a twist in the tail? Karthik takes this quite easily, and it's success at last for Rahil Shah. Head coach Shanmugam almost cracking a smile there.
yeah, he couldn't resist that one, isn't it? He was just trying that big heave this time, finding